Okay, welcome everyone. Um, don't have too much on my watch list for today. Just as I say that, looking at Baba and MU, but this hood is popping up and it's looking quite nice. Ooh. It's nice. Just approaching yesterday's high. I might get ready for that one as well. So probably be smaller size, maybe be a bit more conservative. Let's see what happens. I've got an alert for it anyway. Okay, so approaching market open. Main watches are MU, Baba, potential graphic gap and crap. MU on the back of his earnings pretty flat, but under yesterday's low. Not in the best area. Let's see if it drops through S3. This be just very quick with the scalps on the short side. Let's have a look at the 165 puts. I might just wait to see what it does. It's already gone. I'm going to switch to wood. I'm going to switch to wood. I think. No, maybe not. We'll stick with MU for the moment. Those premiums are a bit too wide for my liking. Way too wide for my liking. Let me go to wood. I want to see if I can. If those premiums really better. There's just no volume. Just no volume. The spreads are way too wide. If I go to the see what happens here, so we get a opening range break. Some head here. Gosh, I went really small, but way too small. And just some not the best price action, but it's staying above the R4 area. I might get in a couple more. That R roll is very low. Getting in a bit more. Let's just see if we can get pushed to 130. Market is going down, but this thing's sort of pushing. R roll is very small, so I'm going to be careful with that. be aggressive in my partials. So if we can get above 120 at 50. I like where this candle's opening up. Just gotta get through this point. Here we go. My friends are not moving at all. But it is quite strong compared to the market. The Qs are just getting demolished, but this thing might take out some of it unless we're getting some movement. We might get out of all of this. Yeah. Section. And it's now turning in yesterday's high. Let's see what was happening in the apart from that first red candle, a little bit choppy. Probably could have got out of it quicker if I had a little bit too much time. So it's okay, keep your losses to about 10%. So Arvo is not increasing at all though. I don't know if it is in play or not. So I'm just going to be white. Q's bouncing off yesterday close. This always happens with Barber, just crappy price action. As I'm looking at them on my other screen, I shouldn't be looking at all this. I should have trusted myself on X. This is not happening. Still watching it here. Let's see what happens. If we can clear this 128.50 area, 128.75 area. We'll see. Not really close to anything. What's happening with Apple? Yeah, that was just Apple's quite good. some big bothers me. Let's see what it is. 79.30, so it's still away from Prima. I still don't like the price section of them. Might look at Apple and see what happens here. Especially if we get under yesterday's close. If the market continues to sell off. Tesla looking strong. Tesla's approaching R4, China. And it's still in a great range, if anything. Within yesterday's range, so still but I wouldn't expect any big moves. Okay, with Barbell. Not much as well. I don't know those weeks. Not much action, just being patient here. Down $120. Just trying to find this stock. I can sort of zoom in on the focusing on the tape, but let's see what Apple gives. If the market pushes under yesterday's close, then Apple might continue to push down. These are lovely liquid options. Let's see what happens here. Might play a little bit of size, not a little bit of size, small size. Where are we getting stuff? So with my trading style, very momentum based. Love the opening drive. That first 5 minutes didn't eventuate today. Or else apart from that, probably looking to catch a trend with an alignment to a higher time frame. In this case, looking at Apple to continue below yesterday's low. It looks like we're curling a little bit here. So not too keen for sure. But we can't, if we hold above 253, if not, it might go a little bit short here. And the Qs are also bouncing off yesterday's close. Still pushing this 253. A bit off the stack there. If we can't break through it, I'm just going to go short against that 253. Not risking very much on the, so I mean 10 cents on the stock, but you pay up on the options. So I just want to see a move towards pre-forecast. Let's see. That's always S4. Let's see if the market pushes down as well. If we get red on the Qs, that would really help. So that's thinking about it. No real levels on data levels. I mean, it's just like 250 psychological maybe. Here we go. So a little bit more of a flush. You might just take one off and maybe aggressive with these. Okay, turn one back. Buying back already. It's no idea. I'm just gonna let it work. I probably should have taken a little bit off, but there's 250, 250 areas now moving. But once that breaks, and hopefully Qs will go red as well. Yeah, those 10% winners don't make you the money. It's just that I'm taking a loss on that first trade, so a little bit bad. So definitely don't want this to go red against me. Now we can wake up with a bit of pressure on that. There we go, there we go. Okay. Took one off for that. Oh, S4, so pushing S4. This section is bearish, like red on the Qs. Let's see if we can get down to 252. Let's get right down to the S4 level. Trying to work on my holding my trade. So still being relatively conservative. But here we go, little more huge. So no higher highs. That would be, for me, is the reason to get out. Sort of really dancing around that yesterday's close on the Qs. That's exactly what I don't want. So look, now the Qs are definitely in the red. Let's see what happens with that one. If that follows suit. Volume tape's running a bit faster. Let's see. Not really getting momentum here. I wanted. I'm quite patient with this. The price action is not indicating much either way, so I might get another little push down. I might start taking more of this out. So the Qs are definitely turning, so is the SPY. At least on the 1 minute. Apple is just holding steady, which is not what I want to see. What is going down? Because I gotta get in those stocks because it's definitely turning. PLCR, I'm gonna just delay the stock. It's just that I got a good entry, that's the thing. I got out another one. I'm gonna start. Hmm. It seems like it's found a big hit. It was 252.50. 2 minute chart. We get a better indication. Yeah. What's doing that? Tesla is going, okay. Looks like it's having a problem here. Maybe not even the best got to go along with it. There's no momentum. Oh, yeah. So it's still down on the day. That could have. I don't know, maybe just wasting my time today, to be honest. I don't really, not really watching anything. I mean, look at MU, just crap. What do you think, Barbara? Yeah, rubbish. Yeah, I think that's dropped actually. I might just leave it here. Not much. Save it for another day. Even Tesla, I mean, decent move, but don't really have a play for it, to be honest. After squeeze, maybe. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm just going to leave it there for now. Let's Caroline. Oh, I don't know. Look at Tesla. Thinking a bit of FOMO here on Tesla too. Been looking at Apple, make that curl. So we saw the bid in there. The eyeballs quite flat. Maybe it's not a bad idea when you see that bit just to put in a bid yourself. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah. First trade, could have got out and chill there. Just to break it even a bit too patient. Even on this Apple one, I didn't really have a target. A little bit more than that. That's why Apple's making a nice curl. Yeah, I mean, Apple's had a nice one up, so. Alright, I'm gonna leave it there. Thank you for watching.